need to make it a little tighter so they'll water the pop. Thing is old. Let that foot pivot, there you go. Good, chest up. 2. Half leg. There we go, to the front. Smooth swing with a little kick for some height. 2, 1. Good, go ahead and sit that down. Hinging at my hips, so I'm pushing my hips back. Reach straight down, toe, midfoot, and your heel. So I don't want to just pull my shoulders back. So let's get 6 of those. 3. Push through that leg, push through that foot, chest up. Flat foot. Leg balance. Chest up. Good. So we're gonna make sure that we put it down firm.
No. Scary.
Okay, yeah. Good. No, that's all we want to do is build confidence. Good, one more. I saw that one was a little funky. Directly over my wrist. So I take less time. I'm ready when you are. We're going 10 seconds at a time. Get ready. 2, 1. So I'm gonna move that body up some. Yeah. 2, 1. Rest. Good. Bring that elbow in. Yeah. You got 6. Finish the. Yeah. Yeah, sit it down. Put that foot where you want to put it. Let's go. Chest up, foot down. Uno más, uno más. Yeah, it's a ligament type of thing. It's stack those shoulders over the wrists. You're getting 20 seconds total, 10 seconds at a time. Hold it smooth. Breathe. 5 seconds. 2, 1. Lock those elbows out. Breathe. You extra. He was counting in his head. You did on the box. Drive your feet into the floor. Stand up tall. So to rack it up, you're just gonna walk under it and let it drop off your shoulder. Down, stand. Good, down. Good, walk forward, feel it clang, now drop it, yeah. Got 3, pull yourself down. Here we go, up. Keep the feet solid. Push those feet into the ground, squeeze your butt, stand, squeeze your butt. Oh. Walk yourself back, knees in line with my toes. Drive my feet flat into the floor. Go, walk it up. Clank, clank. That's it. Here we go. 3. We on the clock. Here we go. Push my feet in the floor. Stand. Chest up, chest up. Feet into the floor. Chest up. Push my feet. Grab some water. You about to hit that roar. Right for the kid. Are we gonna give him a? Nah, we're just gonna roll. Then it's deep breaths. Couple pulls gonna be just to get the wheel rolling. Push and then a big breath. You have a chance. We in the 250. We under 3. That's what we need to see. Let's go, Chris.
You are a top-rated app you can bank anytime, anywhere. This is Banking Reimagined. It's a real. You can send a
She got this.